Hey everyone, it's a bright sunny day in Oregon. This beautiful lid camper shell canopy for my 2003 Tundra, but it needs some restoration, so we're gonna go do some detailed cleaning on it right now and see what we can get cleaned. The pipe. This is my favorite feature right here. And boom, locked into place. Well, we sprayed out the truck quite a bit, and the thing I noticed the most, the hot water, soapy water of the pressure washer kind of stirred up that wet dog smell. So a lot of times it was just spraying off the carpet and right and back into my mouth. So that's why this video is brought to you by Febreze. Anyhow, we'll be Febrezing and using some more carpet and cleaner and spraying it out quite a bit more and letting it drip dry overnight. Hey, check out this handy PVC pipe to hold up the shell window. I ran down to our local trailer store and got 2 brand new gas spring holders, window holders. They probably have a real cool technical name, I don't know what they are. Anyway, we'll fiddle around and see if we can't replace these. And then they also had in stock a brand name ARE brake light. I'm not going to replace that today because we're still washing out the carpets and I want to make sure we don't mess with the electrical stuff just yet.
Just finished our first night in the camper and I slept great, but John hardly slept at all. He just couldn't get comfortable, I think, because it is pretty tight. The past couple of days we stayed at a hotel because we've realized that truck camping and finding where you're staying that night is stressful and not for us. So
maybe not for me. I think you could probably handle it.
I was fine.
I thought I could handle it too, but just not knowing where you're gonna take a shower or go to the bathroom and moving around every night, it really is stressful. It's not very a restful activity. And I mean, even when we were truck camping and like not paying for a campsite or anything, it was kind of dangerous. I mean,